Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how we can use a program called Visual Studio Code to create a website, a very simple website using HTML and CSS. This program is free and you can download it anytime if you would like to use it. So let's go ahead and click on the search bar and type code. You run this program. If you don't have the program, feel free to go online and download it anytime. It is a free software. So let's go ahead and run it. So the main thing you should note about this program is that it uses a single folder. All your program files, website files, pictures, videos, they all must be in a single folder. That is the only way the code is going to read it and display it on the front end when the user is using your website. So let's go ahead and click on File and say Open Folder. What this does is going to give us the option to create a folder where all our website files are going to be stored. So click on Open Folder. Then let's create a new folder and call it Website Project number 1. Hit Enter and click on Select Folder. We were previously working on something, but I don't think we need it, so I'll just say don't save so that it can open our new folder. So we are going to click on New File. If this interface doesn't display on your computer, don't worry. Simply go to File and click on New File, or and still use another method by hovering over the project folder and this first icon, it says New File, click on it. Let's name our file home.html and hit Enter. It will open for us our file. So we need to start coding and creating our website. When you're using HTML, you must declare to the program that I want to create an HTML document. So we open the tag and type doc type HTML. The good thing with this software is it will give you the tag if you simply type the word. You don't have to open the tag, close it, open, close it. Once you type something, it is going to look through its search items and show you the possible tag that you would have typed. So it will bring it for you automatically. Hit Enter. We need to show the program that we are using HTML language. So we open the tag and say HTML. If you don't want to use this method, you just type the word HTML and click on it. Click Enter. Let's put some space and go back up. So within our HTML, we want to create a head or a header for our website. So we shall type the word head, click on it, put some space, and within the head we shall put a title. The title is what appears here within our web browser. So within the title we shall write something like my first website using HTML. Okay. So after the head, we shall go to the body. Put space. Let's come to the beginning and type body. Don't have to use capital letters. So let's put some space. So within the body, we can put a heading. Let's start with a heading. We shall say and type H select heading 1. You want to say I have created this website using HTML and Visual Studio Code. After the heading, you can put a paragraph. So let's put P. Click on the P, hit enter. Say I am trying to learn how to create website using Visual Studio Code. After the paragraph, you can add let's add a picture. To add a picture, shall put img src equal to, then open quotes, and we have to type the exact file name of the image that we want to use. So let's go online and download an image. So, site image. Click on images, download. Let's download this. Right click, save. Now we need to select our folder where we saved all the other files. This is where we are going to put our image. So click here. And search for where we saved our website. It is here. Open the folder. Click open. So save there. This is our image. You can right click, show more options, select rename, then you can copy this file name and come to our program and paste it there. This one we can delete. So let us save this, and then we see our website looks so far. Once you're in this program and you see a white dot on top here, that means you have changes you're supposed to save which are not yet saved. So let's go ahead and save. File, save, disappears. Okay. Now let's right click on this file. We are supposed to have open in default folder. If we do not have this function, you're going to come here on extensions, then here search for open in browser. This is already installed. If it's not installed, just as you see this, you click on install and that function is going to come. Okay, so let's right click on this file and say open default folder. So this is our website so far. Oh, this is not bad for the start. So this is our heading 1, this is our paragraph, and this is our image. This is our title section. So whatever is here is what we put in the title in our website. Alright. So this is basically how you can start creating a website using Visual Studio Code. You can learn about more tags, how you can make italics, type an I and you will have italics. Maybe my woman was working and she became rich. Okay, save this by pressing Ctrl S or Command S on a MacBook, and then come back to your web browser and refresh. So this is the italics. You can go ahead and learn more tags. Tags are so many. We can bold this heading by adding a tag. Would be close. This one we shall delete it and put it here. Then save, refresh, and it will be bold. So if you want to learn more about HTML, CSS, please be sure to visit www.w3schools.com. This website has so much about HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You can learn basically every programming language from this website. Thank you for sticking with me, and that's basically how to use Visual Studio Code to create a website. Thank you for watching. Please leave any comment